Hello everybody, welcome to Lance's Garage. Today we're going to be working on the 1989 Sportster Hardtail Bobber. I built this bike back in 2008 with the help of some buddies. They did a lot of the fabrication work. I was there helping them with it. I put the whole thing back together after we painted it. It is a foot clutch jockey shift, old school, just a DNA Springer front end. This is kind of a budget build chopper. First Harley that I got. When I bought the bike, it was not running but got it on an eBay thing. eBay purchase, not running, got it home. All it was the oil was something that fired right up. It's a great thing about Sportsters is these things just fire right up no matter how long they've been sitting. I found mostly, unless the motor's just completely corroded. So the last time before I moved into the current house, which was a few years ago, so that's how long it's been since this thing's really been ridden, I had installed this fake Pingel, not a real one, and the picture had the outlet going this way, but when it came in, it was going this way, and as you can see, this is getting pinched. This isn't right. I just had to put this thing in to get it going to move it over to the new house, so I just went with it. But I have now purchased a real Pingel Petcock that has the outlet going the right way, so I can shorten this hose run to right here like it should be and get rid of this kink. And then this thing will be ready to go. I actually took it out 2 weeks ago, and it runs, and the only problem I had was fuel delivery started getting screwed up because of this. So I ordered this Pingel, real Pingel Petcock, to go the right way, and basically just going to install that. This is the bike I'm going to be taking to Smokeout, so just to go over the bike. So it is a very different bike, none other like it. So as you can see here, it's been converted from the right hand drive that a Sportster typically has to a left hand with the use of a jackshaft. So that's like I believe there's 74 main shafts, Sportster main shafts welded together in the middle with some pillow block bearings. Got a skateboard wheel there, there's a tensioner on this side. It's actually got a cog on this side as a tensioner. I think we had a skateboard wheel on there originally and then had to change it out because it's just wasn't working on that short run. It's as minimal as it can be. It's like a Nash tail light. This is an eBay special light here, so you can see it all kind of works. So just gonna swap out this Petcock. That'll be a quick job. Just gotta drain out the gas that I put in there, and that's it. Okay, so I just disconnected this filter. It's looking a little gross there, so I'm probably gonna run out to the auto parts store, get a new one of these, so that get a fresh filter, because that's gross. So just real quickly, got that in there, flip it to reserve, and then just draining the tank. And then once I'm done with that, I'll pull off the old Petcock. Alright, so now that the tank is done draining, takes a while. You just gotta come up here with a West Virginia speed wrench. This is probably gonna dump some fuel, so hold on. Just put a dirt pan there, because even though I drained it, I'm sure there's just gonna be a little bit of fuel here. Yeah, I can feel it coming right on my hand now. Oof. That is gross. I didn't even have a screen on it. Huh. Well, a lot of dirt in that tank, even though we did do some treatment. You can see that there, so this new one has a screen on it. You can see this thing's got a pretty wide sweep on it. That's on, that's reserve. It's like a full, that whole way. This is just off on, so it's a much shorter sweep. Before I do this, I gotta put some tape on here on the bottom for the directions, and then we will just install in the reverse order. Okay, got the tape on. Just gotta kind of get this thing positioned about how I want it here. Make sure that all the fittings, got the gas going out the back here, should be good. Got full movement here, so that looks to be a good one. And we're just gonna take it on here. Gonna be good, and that's pretty much it. Now I'm just gonna go out, give me a new filter, reuse and shorten up this line, and should be good to go. So okay, so I got the new fuel filter, got a tiny bit of 1/4 inch fuel line that I needed, and now I can just flip the Pingel on. Oh, getting fuel, so that's good. So I believe this is a reserve. Yeah, off, reserve, on. So all the way in is on, and I really need to use reserve. So plan is to I just put enough fuel in just to make sure that this thing is good to go, and then I'm going to go run it up to the gas station, put a full tank of 93 in, because that's usually what I run in all my air-cooled Harleys, and so the job is completed. And I'll take apart, cut off that thing, but now that it's no longer needed. But easy job, and I recommend just going straight to the Pingel. Don't buy the knockoffs. So thank you for watching this episode of Lance's Garage. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and have a great day.